The string center method in Python centers the string with a character on the left and right to reach a desired length. Let's set up some quick code to see how center works. We will have a string s called high. Then we will call center on high with an argument of 4. Meaning we want the string high to reach a length of 4. Let's run it and see what happens. You see the printout here. High has reached a length of 4, and it reached the length of 4 by having one space character added to either side. It turns out, when you pass in no character to center, space is the character your string is centered with. Alright, what happens if we pass in a length less than or equal to the length of the string? Let's pass in 0 to center to see what happens. Nothing happened. When you pass in a length less than or equal to the length of the string, the original string is returned. Okay, back to numbers greater than the length of the string. Let's pass in 3 and ty to center. This gives you an error. If you remember back to the space example from the beginning, high was surrounded on both sides by spaces. Center only accepts a single character to be the fill character. One last thing, what happens if the fill character cannot be spread around the original string evenly? For example, we only allow high to reach the length of 3 and make the fill character t. This one's a bit difficult to remember. If the original string starts out with an even number length, the uneven character is placed to the left. Let's do an example to see the other case. Let's have the string be dog, have it reach a length of 4, and make the fill character O. This will make the string doggo. Therefore, if the original string starts out with an odd number length, the uneven character is placed to the right. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.